Hey, this is Mike. I just wanted to provide a brief video that covers the features of the learning environment so you can take full advantage of them. That also covers the course layout so you can see how the course is broken down into modules and lessons. And then lastly, to cover the navigation so you'll know how to get around when you get in the environment. So once you sign up for the course or complete the form requesting access, you're going to receive an email with your credentials. Make sure to save this in a place that's easy to retrieve, and also make sure you bookmark the URL gov-training.com for future access. If you have problems with that URL, just contact me because I have another URL that you can use in its place. So once you click on that URL, you're going to be taken to a page that looks like this. Just enter your username, which is your email address, and your password that's in your credentials that you receive via email. Once you click sign in, you're going to be taken to your product page, and in this case, you're going to see that you have access to the Yellow Belt course. To begin, simply click on the course name to start, and it's going to take you to a page with an introductory video and a list of modules underneath. So as you scroll down beneath the introductory video, you'll see that the course is broken into 8 modules. Now you're going to have to progress through the course in order, so you can't skip around initially. Each module builds on the last, and there are going to be exercises that must be done and quizzes that have to be taken before the next lesson or module is opened up to you. So as we go into Module 1 here, you'll see that each module contains a series of lessons. And so as you see, we have an objectives video that provides an overview of what's going to be covered in that module and lays out the specific learning objectives. As you'll see, the other lessons in the module are listed below. Each of these images is a hyperlink to that lesson that you can navigate to if you've completed the prerequisites. Over to the right, you'll see coming up as an additional navigation option. And to the far right, there is an additional navigation to lessons as well as a few other options. The home button takes you to a page that shows your available courses. The question mark gives you options for support inquiries. The P also takes you to the product page. The people icon shows a news feed. The C in a circle, it's not a copyright symbol in this particular case, but it's going to take you to the course overview page. And the trophy shows you the course leaderboard, and the power symbol will log you out. Beneath the coming up section, you're going to see 3 additional options. The first contains additional resources. So for example, you'll find the downloadable study guides on each module objective page, but there are also going to be other templates and other resources there as well. So make sure that you check. If you click on the notes icon, you're going to have the ability to take your own notes while watching the video. So as you see, it captures the timestamp in the video where I took the note so I can easily go back and review it. And if I click on the timestamp in the note, it will automatically go to that time in the video and start replaying it from that particular position. The third option shows a running commentary about the content that's being shared by other students. So if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you're going to see the comment box, and that's where you can enter your comments, questions, experiences, or whatever other anecdotes you'd like to share. And this is really important that you contribute here to make sure that this enhances the learning experience for everyone. So you've undoubtedly noticed a score displayed to the right of this video. This learning environment has built-in gamification, as it's called. So as you mark videos complete, as you do exercises, as you download resources, as you take quizzes and make comments, you're going to be awarded points. And so if we click here to complete my goals, you're going to see the scoring values that are provided. As you watch videos, you get 10 points. As you download resources, you get 5 points for each of the downloads. As you make comments or ask questions, you get 3 points for each one of them. Additionally, some exercises have point values associated with them, and most of the time that's going to be about 15 points. So once again, after watching the video, after reviewing and downloading the resources, after taking notes, reviewing the other commentary, after making your own comments, you can mark that particular lesson completed, and when you do, your quiz will appear. And so for just about every lesson, there's going to be a brief quiz with 3 questions. You have to get at least 2 of the questions right. Each correct answer will award you 5 additional points. Another quick comment about the gamification features. There are 2 types of badges. There are point badges that are going to be awarded once you hit different levels. At this point, we've set them up for 50, 100, 250, and 500 points. So you'll receive a badge when you hit those thresholds automatically. And in addition to that, we also have badges that roughly correspond 1 per module within the course. And so you'll see them appear as you complete exercises and get those badges. So you see on the goals page as you scroll down, these are the badges that you can earn. Make sure that you don't try to attempt the exercise until you've completed those lessons or modules that pertain to that particular exercise. And if it's a points award, click on Earn These Points. And if it's a badge award, click on Get This Badge. Follow the instructions, and once it's reviewed and approved, you'll get the points that are associated or the badge that's associated with that task. As always, if you have questions or feedback, don't hesitate to contact me directly at mike@governanceacademy.com, or if you forget that, just click on the question mark. It's going to provide that contact information for you. So I hope you get a lot of practical information out of the course that you can apply immediately, but I also hope that you enjoy the learning environment that we've set up here and contribute as much as possible to it to enhance the learning experience for everybody. So thanks.